Welcome to No More channel. Today we will talk about the moon, but before the start of the video, you must press the like and subscribe button, and activate the bell button to receive all new. First, Earth's moon. The Earth's moon is the fifth largest moon of the solar system, and the only place after the planet Earth that man has been able to stand on, and the largest and brightest body in the Earth's night sky, which is a rocky body with a hard surface full of craters, and it is called Inch. Second, the formation of the moon. Scientists believe that the moon was formed as a result of the collision known as the Giant Collision, which resulted from the collision of a giant body the size of Mars planet with the planet Earth, shortly after the formation of the Sun and the Solar System, which led to the release of a cloud of evaporating rocks formed from a mixture of the Earth and the other body that hit it, which began to orbit around the Earth. Then it cooled and condensed to form a ring of small solid bodies, which then gathered together to form the moon. 2. To learn more about how the moon was formed, you can read the article How to Be the Moon.
Third, the moon's components. The moon consists of three main layers, which are 4. The iron core is small, which is about 680 kilometers in width and makes up only 1 to 2% of the moon's mass, and includes other elements in addition to iron, such as sulfur, and others. The rocky mantle is about 1,330 kilometers thick, and its rocks are rich in magnesium and iron. A thin crust about 70 kilometers deep, and its outer surface is full of craters and craters resulting from the collision of meteors with the moon millions of years ago. It is worth noting that the South Platecan Basin crater is the largest crater on the moon. Its width is approximately 2,500 kilometers, and its depth is approximately 8 kilometers. To get to know the moon in detail, you can read the article on the characteristics of the moon. Fourth, the surface of the moon is known as the side of the moon that faces the Earth and can be seen from it as the near side of the moon. And it is divided into light-colored regions called the lunar highlands, and other low and dark areas known as Maria, in English, Maria. As the dark matter that fills it is a volcanic lava that dates back to the volcanic eruptions that occurred on the surface of the moon in the early periods of its formation. While the side of the moon that cannot be seen from the Earth is known as the far side of the moon, and differs from the near face by appearance and characteristics, it contains almost no Maria. 5. The surface of the moon is covered with a rocky debris, in English, regolith, consisting of crumbled soil and a group of scattered rocks that were ejected from the lunar craters. Sixth and last, phases of the moon. The moon passes during a single month in 8 different phases, which are 6. Almohak, English, new moon. The part opposite to the Earth from the moon during this phase is not illuminated by the sun, and the moon cannot be seen in the sky. Waxing crescent, during this phase, the moon can be seen in a low level in the sky, immediately after sunset. The first quarter, the moon reaches this phase 7 days after the conjunct phase, and only half of its surface can be seen illuminated during the first half of the night. Waxing gibbous, most of the moon in this phase becomes visible. Full moon. The side of the moon opposite the Earth during this phase appears to be fully illuminated by the sun's rays.